Hello kids, let's learn colors name. Orange color, red color, grey color, brown color, green color, pink color, blue color, light blue color, light green color, black color, yellow color, violet color. Let's learn alphabets. This is a black color. V for van. V for van. This is a pink color. Let's fill the V. V for van. This is a light blue color. V for van. V for van. This is a van wheel. W. W for watermelon. W. This is a green color. This is a light green color. Which color gives light green color? Watermelon. Watermelon color is green. W for watermelon. This is a red color. This is watermelon seeds. X for Xmas tree. This is a yellow color. This is a red color. This is a Xmas tree. This is a green color. X for Xmas tree. This is a brown color. The Xmas tree. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.